Hi Rebecca, I just got your exponential equations assignment and we need to redo that. You got 10% on it. So I'm just going to give you a couple of quick hints off of it and redirect it to you in Edulastic, and hopefully you can see a little bit from this. So what we're doing when we do these is we want to get our base to be the same on both sides of the equal sign. So here our base is 3. We can make our base 3 by making this 3 squared. So we have 3 to the 2x is equal to 3 squared. And then you can just drop the bases and write the exponents as an equation. So now we have 2x equals 2. We can divide by 2 and we get x equals 1. So if I were to put that back into the original exponent, I would have 2 times 1, so I would have 3 to the 2 times 1, and that would be 3 squared, which would be 9, and 9 equals 9. So you can check them, you don't have to, but if you have any doubt, that's a way to see if you're getting them right. So on the second one here, we see we have the same base of 2, and we want to make this a base of 2. So I know that 2 times 2 times 2 is 8, and the fact that this is in the denominator means that it's going to be to the negative 3 power. So we're going to write this out again. 2 to the 3x minus 4 is equal to 2, and I'm going to put a negative 3 here. And then I'm going to have to distribute the negative 3 to the x plus 1. So when I rewrite down here, I have 2 to the 3x minus 4 is equal to 2 to the negative 3x and minus 3. So now I can just take and drop the bases, put the exponents. 3x minus 4 is equal to negative 3x minus 3. So I'm going to take my variables over. So I'm going to add 3x and add 3x. I'm going to get 6x minus 4 is equal to negative 3. I'm going to add 4, I get 6x is equal to 1. Divide by 6, and I get x is equal to 1/6. And again, I could put that back into the equation and see where it comes out. But just hopefully that'll help you out. You did get the answer of 6, so I'm not sure where that is. So I hope you don't mind me asking you to redo this, but I think it's probably better that we do.